What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Terra here, Terra Luna, and it is looking very bullish indeed. If we just draw our Fibonacci retracement levels here from our previous all-time high to this low here, we can get a little bit of a better idea about what's going on. But overall, I mean, we've had an absolutely crazy, nice, really nice bounce and reversal off the recent dip that we saw. We came down to around $24 here, didn't we? With the market rolling over, obviously we've had the all kinds of bearish news recently. It's September, so obviously in September, financial markets look very bullish, very bearish in general. And you know, it's one of those psychological compounded things that seems to have happened over a period of time, and then obviously it's become a built into the market kind of thing, you could say. We've also had Evergrande FUD, we had the El Salvador big correction in the market, and now we've got more China FUD coming out. But you can see that for the most part, Terra just doesn't really care. It just seems to be continuing to do what it wants. Come all the way down to $24, had a massive bounce up to around $41.50. Currently having a bit of a retracement to around $37, but overall, you know, looking extremely bullish, we would say. We have actually, you know, you could probably argue maybe that we're just we're coming back down, trying to back test that previous all-time high. We back tested it here somewhat, although not completely, and we've back tested it here somewhat, but not completely as well. But you can see we're in a very strong uptrend in general. We've got obviously our flip of our EMAs bullish all the way back in July, a few months ago. Massive run to the upside, broke the previous all-time high, chopped it up in and around some levels here. We come down back to the previous all-time high-ish. We run all the way up. We break that 127 extension, which was resistance. We come up to around the 141, but we get front run and we start selling off. We lose the 127 as support. We come back down in and around this area here at the swing low of a little bit of a range that we formed, something like this. Little bit of a range. We get there, fake out to the upside, but we fall back inside the range again. It would be better if I could actually, you know, not undo my range after I put it in. You can see here we've got the fake out to the downside of the range as well, which was interesting. And then we've got the bounce all the way up. We've actually come up out of the range again. Currently trying to back test it as support, but you know, overall things looking really bullish. So we're not going to drag it out too much for Terra. You can see quite clearly from this chart with the Fib retracement on just how well these levels have been respected. Support and resistance all the way up, support, resistance, and then hopefully support here again for that next leg up. But overall, things looking super bullish. Luna looking really good. Short-term price predictions then, if we do fall back inside the range, you'd expect the bottom of the range to, you know, hold a support at around $26 if we do something like this and continue to chop sideways. But if we do test this as support and start to run up, got the 141 at around $46 as our next target, and then longer term price targets, we do have this $67-ish level at the 161, and then we've got the 227 at around $212. We're not saying Terra's going to get that high, but you know, we do think that a 5x or so from the current price isn't that unlikely, which would be, you know, $150, $160, which would be very nice indeed. I mean, if we do get up to $200-ish, that would be around a 5x and $40, I suppose. But we do think $150-ish would be a very nice price target for Terra. We think at least $100 more realistically, but $150, maybe $200, depending on how much adoption the ecosystem gets. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.